Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes packed with indicators and candlestick patterns built in. Just grab it using the link in the description below. Now let us get into this review. In this video, I am looking at Gold Harvester Pro, an MT5 expert advisor built by developer Saiful Izam bin Hassan, priced at $299.99 to buy. And it's on version 1.2, last updated in late May 2026. Scrolling into the description, this is built specifically for XAUUSD, designed to run on the M5 and M15 time frames. The developer describes it as identifying entries through volume spikes and liquidity zones with multiple risk management algorithms that adjust position size based on volatility and prior performance. Now, moving into the trading logic section, the system monitors for periods of significantly increased volume and defines liquidity zones using the highest high and lowest low over a configurable look back period. Okay, so trades are placed either as instant market orders or pending stop orders, and there is a 200 period EMA. There's a 200 period EMA, trend filter included to keep trades aligned with the longer term direction. Okay, so going through the key features, right? This includes volume spike detection for entries, liquidity zone based stop loss, and take profit placement. Okay, it's a choice of money management algorithms, including volatility based sizing and trading restrictions tied to the London and New York sessions. Okay, it also uses internally managed stop loss, stop levels, rather than sending them to the broker server, along with daily loss limits, account drawdown stops, and automated partial profit taking and trailing stops. Now, scrolling through the input parameters, strategy settings cover look back bars, the volume threshold multiplier, and the EMA trend filter period. Okay. Execution and timing settings include the choice between pending or market execution, session based trading hours for London and New York, a news avoidance window, and a cool down period between trade attempts. Money management includes risk percentage per trade, a maximum lot ceiling, ATR period, and multiplier for volatility based stops, and an option targeting specific risk to reward ratios. Okay. Risk protection includes a daily loss limit, an overall account drawdown limit, an emergency kill switch, and a pause triggered after a set of a set number of consecutive losses. The last section covers internally managed virtual stops, a broker side emergency stop loss as a fail safe, partial profit, closing, trailing stop distance, and break even functionality. Now let us get into the backtest that I ran myself, and I need to be upfront about something important before breaking down the numbers. This test only produced 2 total trades across the entire 6.5 month period. Okay, so that's an extremely small sample, and I don't want to present conclusions from it as if they carry real statistical weight. Okay, so this test started with an initial deposit of $10,000, and by the end of the test period, the account showed a net loss of about $224. Now, with only 2 trades, one win of just under $65, and one loss of just under $289. There simply is not enough data here to draw meaningful conclusions about win rate, profit factor, or drawdown behavior, even though the raw numbers technically show a negative result. Okay, so this covered XAUUSD on M15 from the start of January through mid-July 2026, with history quality at 99%. So the data itself is quite reliable. There just wasn't much trading activity captured in this particular test window. All right, but if you want to test the EA, I recommend you test it across other brokers, you know um to see if you have different results. Okay, so given the volume spike and liquidity zone entry conditions described on the listing, it is possible this system is simply selective and waits for very specific conditions before entering, which would explain a low trade count. But I can't confirm that from 2 trades alone. Okay, so I would strongly recommend running this over a considerably longer period, maybe a couple of years, and ideally across multiple market cycles before drawing any conclusions about how this expert advisor actually performs. All right. So, who might this expert advisor be suitable for? Based only on what is shown here, there isn't enough historical data from this test to say much either way. Okay, but as always, no expert advisor is universally suitable, right? And this is a case where more testing is needed before you'd have anything solid to base a decision on. All right. So, in my opinion, you should run this. You should run the back test over a much longer window if you are really interested in this EA. Okay, you want to run the back test over a longer period of time yourself before you consider any live use. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.